Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance BEP20 address. First, log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Wallet or Funds section, usually found in the top navigation bar. From there, you will need to choose the Deposit option to begin the process of finding your specific BEP20 address. After selecting Deposit, you'll be prompted to choose the cryptocurrency you intend to receive. For a BEP20 address, ensure you select a token that supports the BNB Smart Chain, like BNB itself or a BEP20 token. Crucially, you must then select BEP20 BNB Smart Chain as the network. Your unique BEP20 deposit address will then be generated and displayed. It is absolutely vital to double-check that you have selected the BEP20 network. Sending funds to an incorrect network, such as ERC20 or TRC20, will almost certainly result in the permanent loss of your assets. Always copy the address directly using the Copy button provided to prevent any manual transcription errors. A single incorrect character can lead to irreversible loss. Once you have your BEP20 address, you can share it with the person or platform sending you funds. Before confirming any transaction, always take a moment to review all the details, including the amount and the recipient address, to ensure everything is correct. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book and other valuable deals. Your financial security is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.